Today we are headed to Richmond, Virginia for the Virginia Lexus Club meet at National Speed. It's going to be a fun time. We're going to check out the event and throw this IS350 on the dyno. Hello everyone and welcome to Marty Motoring. Today we're here in the hotel. We're about to head to the event. If you follow the channel, you know that I have a 2007 IS350 for the last 2 years and I've been modifying it and making videos. And on this trip, it'll hit 171,000 miles. The car doesn't really look like it has that mileage because I try to keep it nice. It's not a race car, but it makes a really fun daily and just a weekend car and everything like that. And I've always wondered if the mods I've done really added any power. To me, it feels like they did. The car responds better, feels better. Intake and exhaust is always a good upgrade on any car. So today we're going to find that out. VALexusClub rented out National Speed, so I'm excited to see the facility. So let's go check it out. So we just got the car dynoed. It did almost 275 horsepower with 250 torque. Got the dyno sheet here. That's more than I was expecting. I was expecting maybe like, I don't know, 260, 265. I'd be happy if it hit 270, and it did. 274.19. Hey, that's pretty good for a 12-year-old car, daily driven, almost 171,000 miles. The stock box, F-Sport filter. I got the RR Racing tube intake, the carbon one, and then the resonator delete and F-Sport AXLEBACK. Sounds like a lot, but those are pretty simple changes, so it's pretty awesome to see. Thanks again to National Speed for having us and doing these dyno pools. It's really cool to meet all the different Virginia and Maryland area Lexus enthusiasts and get this dyno run done. something I always kind of wondered about my car but never made time for, and this was the perfect location and event to do that. So now that my car is dynoed, let's go check out the other cars and see what they make. I think this is the fastest car I've ever seen in my life.
392. 392.
Just headers and exhaust, that's pretty good. Alright, so that about wraps up the meet. I just hit the road and we're gonna head back to good old Pennsylvania. Had a fun time, so thanks to VALexusClub for including me. It was cool to see what my car could do on the dyno. And boy, is it hot here in Virginia. It's about 84. I took my glasses off because it's so hot here. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring to keep up with the latest updates. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.